I am a magician. 638.
What do we got?
We got our orange bird.
Look at that.
Pretty
A
cute.
bit.
It's an orange bird Christmas from the Sunshine Tree Terrace in Adventureland and Magic Kingdom. It's an orange scented white chocolate mousse filled with orange curd and a candied orange peel on top of a citrus almond cream. Sounds nummy.
And it's got this little guy on the top here. He's so cute.
And it was $5.99, $6.38 with tax.
Are you ready to try this puppy out?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead, have at it.
Oh.
Is it hard?
That's harder.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, that is a hard candy shell. I don't know if you saw that, but it all came off. It's like
Oh my gosh.
all
It
came off in
smells
one
like
piece.
a creamsicle.
Yeah. Oh.
Tastes like a creamsicle.
Tastes like a creamsicle. All right, so here's the inside. It looks like the orange peel, the rind of the orange peel.
Kind of oozed out the top there. That's good.
I like that.
I mean, if you like orange creamsicles.
Would you like some green icing? No?
I don't know about that.
You want to eat the thingy? I'll eat the bottom half. You can have the top half.
I assume this is just white chocolate.
That is orange.
Colored, not flavor.
Oh, we didn't try
Try
the
the
bottom
bottom.
part. Oh, that's hard. Okay, this is the bottom part because there's two pieces to this. There's the top, whatever this fluff is on the ball in here, and then there's whatever is on the bottom. Tastes like cake.
That part's not as good as the top part.
It don't really taste like anything.
See if I can get some all together.
What do you think?
I think overall it's good. So if you like orange creamsicles, then this is one for you.
I like it. 2 thumbs up. So, have you tried this? Did you like it? Did you not like it? What's your favorite treat from Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party? Leave it in the comments below.
Like it, share it, subscribe to it, get notified about it, and remember,
no cakes! I could like just take this whole thing, just go. She's not gonna get any more, and she's like, "Wait a minute, yes I am." But I'm gonna share.